It's no longer car mods. Quality action. Hi, what's up? Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we have something very special. Today I'm actually going to go ahead and install some of the parts that I've been ordering. I know you guys have been waiting for more videos on installs and trying to help out everybody in the community. And you know, just trying to get stuff done on my own personal life. So with that being said, I'm actually going to start doing a lot of the mods now. Today I'm going to go ahead and start with maybe 1 or 2 mods on the G80, and then I'm going to go ahead and do another one on the M4. Like as you guys saw on the previous blog, I did have a little bit of a water damage in the garage. So I'm still trying to organize myself. I have a lot of stuff to get rid of, and also a lot of stuff to add on. Alright guys, so I'm going to be doing this install, and this is actually from, let me go ahead and see if we can focus. This is from JQ Werks. Big shout out to Jeremy. Thank you so much, bro, for getting this out to me. If you guys already know, you guys probably watched it already from Kevin's video. In here, we have the magnetic paddles. Now guys, we got the MADTRACE paddles. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to do this with one hand. There we go. Again, big shout out to JQ. There it is. Thank you for becoming a JQ family. The JQ Werks MADTRACE magnetic paddle shifter will come with a limited lifetime manufacturer warranty. Please refer to www.jqwerks.com for terms and conditions. The model is for the G8X M3M4. Warranty date, and wow, thank you so much. Appreciate that, Jeremy. Big huge shout out, guys. If you guys want to go ahead and get these paddles, you got to make sure you guys get to JQ Werks and order these babies right here. Damn, that thing is a beauty. Wow. Sheesh, that's gonna look so good in that. Alright guys, so like like all the paddles, what you get in here is you get your hardware, and you get 2 types of hardware. In case you want to switch out your paddles, you get hardware to swap out the paddles to the smaller version, and this is the screws that are going to be replacing the factory OEM screws. Again, you guys want to make sure you guys use the appropriate hardware. You guys don't want to, you know, make a really expensive mistake. So let's get to it. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the car inside, and then we'll get started. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I lifted up the cover that exposes the battery, disconnected the negative, and now, alright guys, now that the battery's disconnected, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the airbag to get access to the paddle shifters. Now this is hidden behind this little hole right here that hasn't been pushed through. It's not like the F80s. This is more of kind of like showing that this hasn't been tampered with. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a screwdriver, push my flathead screwdriver in through there, push the clip, the retaining clip that's holding the airbag, and then that should just pop it out, and then I'll disconnect the cables. So let me get to that. Alright guys, so right here I would suggest you guys start with the passenger side clip over here, and then you guys move over to the driver's side, and then it's gonna be a very tight fit, but again, once everything's exposed, as you guys can see, we just have our connector over here. I'm gonna go ahead and try to do it with one hand. There we go. Set this in a good spot right now. And then we see our connectors for our paddle shifters. As you guys can see, it's right there. So as you can see, that's our connector right there. That's on that side, and that's on the right side and left side connectors. Pull those back, and then that should expose the torque screw that's holding the paddles together. Alright, and just like that, we got both of the paddles already out. We got them disconnected. I'm just going to go ahead and pull this one out from the little direction where it sits. And we got the other paddle out already as well. So we got both paddles already out. And now I'm gonna go ahead and grab the magnetic paddles and then check out the hardware that comes with it, and then do the installation. I'll show you guys what it looks like. And again, make sure that you guys do use the hardware that they provide. Cannot stress that enough. Wow, it's gonna sound incredible. Let's get this one off. We have one of them already in. As you guys can see, we tuck in the wire just right back into its own place. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the upshift. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and guide the wire in, and then I'll pick it up once it's already installed. Alright guys, and just like that, we got paddles installed. That being said and done, I'm gonna go ahead and I already got the plug already plugged in. I'm gonna push this the air back in. It's locked in. Okay, got beautiful paddles. Matches really nicely with our carbon fiber weave. This thing is so beautiful. Honestly, guys, I'm very happy with the overall purchase. Everything, honestly, it's so beautiful. I'm very happy with it. God, that sound is so satisfying, you guys. Wow. Alright guys, so here we are. We're gonna do a little paddle test. God, that sounds so satisfying, you guys. Alright everyone, so that concludes the install for the JQ Werks MADTRACE paddle shifters. These magnetic paddle shifters are honestly one of the best feeling paddle shifters out in the market. If you are interested in picking up a pair of paddle shifters, check these out. These are honestly amazing paddle shifters. You guys know I'm an OEM Plus kind of guy, but these are honestly, I think that just said it all. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you guys are not subscribed yet, smash the subscribe button. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about the paddle shifters. Let me know what you guys think about the whole build. What's been your favorite part so far, and what else are you guys looking forward to? Again, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Have a great rest of your day. See you guys next time. Later.